the magic steaming tray into the pot. Prevent ingredients from sticking to the pot. Place the vetiver into the pot, filling it about 80% full. Put enough water in the pot. Place the 8-inch sealing ring. Place the lid on and connect it with clamps. Install the condenser using a 3-inch sealing ring and clamps. Don't forget to place the copper sheet properly. Materials can also be placed inside the copper tube to increase the working volume. Do not overfill to avoid steam blockage. Finally, install the top lid. Connect the inlet and outlet pipes. The inlet pipe is located below. After connecting, test if the water flow is smooth. Turn on the electric ceramic stove to heat. Before installing the glass tube, wrap Teflon tape around the threads to prevent leakage. A silicone tube can be installed on the hydrosol outlet to allow the hydrosol to drip more effectively into the essential oil separator.